There is something hypnotic about watching a thick stream of soft serve ice cream coil perfectly into a cone. We have all seen those massive commercial machines in fast food joints and wondered if that kind of power could actually fit on a kitchen counter or in a tiny food truck without costing a fortune. That is exactly where this budget ice cream maker enters the picture. It promises the dream of professional grade dessert without the five-figure price tag. People are flocking to these machines because they skip the most annoying part of home ice cream making. You do not have to freeze a heavy bowl for 24 hours before you even start. This unit uses a built-in compressor to do the heavy lifting. You just find a flat surface and plug it in. You pour your mix into the top hopper and hit a button. Within minutes, the cooling system kicks in and starts churning that liquid into a frosty treat. On paper, it sounds like a total game changer for small cafes or the ultimate backyard party. But here is where the reality check hits. This machine is a bit of a gamble. While it can absolutely produce real soft serve, the consistency of the build quality is all over the place. Some people get a unit that runs like a tank and churns out batch after batch. Others find themselves with a very expensive paperweight after just a few uses. The biggest headache usually starts when something goes wrong. Getting a human on the phone for a refund or a replacement part is a legendary struggle. This is not a high-end luxury brand. It is a budget-friendly option that cuts corners to keep the price down. If you are running a serious high-volume business, relying on this could be a recipe for disaster. The durability just is not there for constant, heavy daily use. However, for a hobbyist or someone who wants to serve occasional treats at home, it might actually be worth the risk. You just have to go into it with your eyes wide open. Do not expect premium support or a machine that will last for a decade. It is a tool for a specific person with a specific budget. When it works, it is fantastic. The ice cream is smooth and the process is fast. But you are essentially trading peace of mind for a lower price point. You have to decide if the savings are worth the potential for a technical meltdown down the road. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for in the world of kitchen hardware. Some users find success by really dialing in their specific recipe and learning the quirks of the cooling cycle. Once you find that sweet spot, it can be quite a workhorse. But if you hit a snag, you are often on your own. It is a high-stakes way to get your sugar fix. Think about the pressure of a busy summer afternoon when the line for dessert is out the door. If your machine decides to quit because a small plastic gear snapped and you cannot reach customer service, that cheap price tag starts feeling very expensive. That is the gamble you are taking here. It is not a scam by any means. It is a real piece of machinery that does exactly what it claims to do under the right conditions. It just lacks the heavy-duty reliability that professionals usually pay for. For the home user, it is an absolute blast. You can experiment with different flavors and create textures that a standard churner simply cannot touch. Just make sure you have plenty of counter space and a bit of patience for the setup. It is a loud, heavy, and impressive piece of kit that will definitely be the talk of any gathering. Just be prepared to be your own mechanic if things go sideways. It offers a taste of the big leagues at a fraction of the cost, provided you are willing to deal with the occasional headache. Even with the risks, the ability to make soft serve in your own kitchen is a huge draw. Just remember to keep your expectations grounded in reality. This machine is a tool, not a miracle. Use it wisely, clean it often, and you might just get that perfect swirl every single time.